How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Ike here with another yoga workout flow. I'm about to walk you guys through a pretty random full body flow that I want to do for about 10 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna figure out the title after I do it because, again, I'm new to this. Don't really know the names too well and stuff like that, but I do know the poses. I do know how to work. So if you guys are interested, this is what I've been doing for about the past 2 to 3 years now, and I've seen a lot of improvements in all aspects of life, really, from workouts to the martial arts room to playing basketball. I feel like my body just feels better from stretching a lot, incorporated with my workouts. So with that being said, let's jump right in. Gonna start off here just loosening up the body to get in some hip and spine twists. Get to some side to sides here. Gonna start off by just getting loose today. Let's put the hands forward on the mat. Do some loose circles. Focus this more towards your wrists and your forearms. So lean forward a little bit. Opposite the rotation. Nice circles here. Shake it out. Left side, hands spread apart. Left hand facing left, right hand facing right. Gonna go left and right, but we're doing it loose. We're not trying to fully stretch it out. We just started. So be loose with yourself, be kind with the body. I'm gonna stretch back. I'm gonna try to sit into it. This is where my why am I facing literally towards my booty? It's crazy. Alright. This is where the forearm stretches more. Whew. This is about the most I could go. I can't sit back into this, so if you can, do what you gotta do. Still want to get a little more loose. Left foot comes up. We're gonna do some circles in the right direction. Circles in the other direction. Same thing with the opposite leg. And then opposite the rotation. Alright. It's hot out here. It's definitely gonna get sweaty in this one. How are those shoulders feeling? Alright, let's go up into a plank, a high plank position. Let's just hold it out. Extending those shoulders, extending the forearms, the elbows. And then now let's work the back muscles by dipping that in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Here in downward dog. And like I said, excuse me if I do not know the poses. but this is how I learn, by going through the motions. The point of this is to feel a good stretch and get in a good early morning workout. And nothing more, nothing less. Okay. Here we go here. Let's go back up into that push-up plank. Alright, what we're gonna do is take the left leg back and we're gonna step through. Step through. Find your balance. Find your balance. Find your balance. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we're gonna step this left leg back. Step the right leg forward. How are your legs feeling today? Mine are sore, fatigued, at least to start out. We're gonna do the same thing on the opposite leg. Then we're gonna do some lunge pulses. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Other leg. Step it through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring those knees down. Whew. That's a whole lot of work right there. Believe it or not, for me at least. Let's get in some hip circles. Keep the body moving. Like I said, we're going about 15 to 20 minutes, so we're working for this time. We're resting later. Other way. Try to get in a little back and shoulder stretch when you get back there as well. All right, nice. Okay. Right hand forward. Let's take this through. We're doing a right-handed plank. Right-handed side plank. Woo! That's that balance. And we're gonna hit 3 little side push-ups. Oh! Finding my balance a little bit better there. There it is. 1, 2, 3. Same thing on the other side. We're holding. I'm gonna have to refine my balance to actually do the push-ups again. Need a little out more. All right, let's hit 3. 1, 2, 3. Step that through. All right. Let's sit back on the toes. I'm not very flexible here, so as you can see, this is where we're going to today. Stretching out the toes, the feet. How y'all feeling right now? Let's get it. We working. All right, we're gonna go on our backs here, or seated. Let's do some rolls, left to right. And now we're gonna do a seated hold for 40 seconds. You ready? 2, 3, 4. Almost there. Nice. Whew. We're gonna hit a quick little circuit, and then we're gonna get right back into that seated plank or seated row, whatever it is. That was tough. I don't know how that was for you. I was shaking. I was like, all right. Stretch out the hips a little bit. Hit some circles in this direction. It doesn't matter what direction. Circles in one way. Circles the other way now. I'm pretty tight here. This is something I can work on. For sure. So go ahead. Up into this right here. Try to bridge it as much as you can. Let's do one more of those and be done with it. Now back into that seated plank. Come on, guys. Come on, 40 more seconds. If you separate your feet, it's even harder. 10 more seconds, come on. 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoo. Whoo. Let's finish this out. We're gonna take that resting pose. We're gonna spread out, and we're gonna do 10 nice deep breaths. And from there, feel free to chill out if you'd like. Feel free to get in a meditation, go about your day. And with that being said, y'all, let's get it. This deck is hot.